Hello, Chef here with my monthly cutting board maintenance routine. I wanted to share this with you. So the first thing you got to do is you need to clean off your cutting board. So it just depends on what you're cooking and how you maintain it day to day, how much dirt or food particles remain on here. A little bit's okay. The wood kills and dries up germs. So I'm going to show you real quickly what I like to do. I'm using a bench scraper and I'm going with the wood grain like this. And I'm removing anything that's on here. I already know the last thing I prepped was mushrooms and zucchini, some chicken and things like that. And I've cleaned it, but there's a little bit of residue left on here, including a little bit of wood pulp, which is okay. All completely safe. Clean that off and move on to the next step. Yeah, it's looking good now, and there's nothing visible on the cutting board. Okay, once a year or every couple of years, I like to bring it outside and sand it down. This is in good shape, it's not necessary. Okay, now we're moving on to our next step here, and that's using the mystery oil. There's a few products. This mystery oil is really good stuff. It's mineral oil, touch of beeswax in there. There's also board cream. There's a few other ones. Check out the sponsor. They got all this stuff on sale. But anyway, I like to do a circular motion like this. And I prefer to use a plastic bag that is recyclable. It might have already been recycled 1 or 2 times. I'm not even certain. It's going into the recycle bin when I'm done. Circular motion like this. And we're going to let this penetrate, and it's going to air dry for the next 24 hours. I'm not going to use this cutting board. I'm going to move to something else. Got a lot of cutting surfaces in each of my kitchens, and you should too. All right, we got a nice heavy coating on this board. It's looking really, really good. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. Okay, this cutting board is good to go. By the way, this one is about 10 years old. It works like brand new. I will flip it over and do the other side. However, I'm going to wait for this to dry, let this oil penetrate, and I'll be back. Smash the love button, share the love. Check out the chef's other videos. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. And All Things Butcher Block. The sponsor makes these in the USA, and wow, it's the very best butcher block you can buy. Custom sizes, maple, walnut, cherry, and others. Carts, tables, bars, islands, countertops, the very best. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Eat these foods: watermelon, fresh strawberries, fruits, vegetables every day. Oh, yes. Open your mind. Healthy whole foods. Avoid the junk foods. Follow the Mediterranean. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost Blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,